Alrighty, Mark, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give you a little brief description of this combination. It's the AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got a solid roller camshaft, a custom ground by comp. Got a real nice set of BAM roller lifters, Scoripin roller rockers. It's got custom J&E pistons, nitrous friendly. 4340 crank, H-beam rods. As you can see, it's fuel injected. And we've got nitrous on it. Obviously it's got the March front end on it. So we'll go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, here we are on nitrous. Activated around 4,300. 686 foot-pounds of torque, 88. And 710 horsepower. 705 horsepower, 5,500. Holds in 700s there. 6,400, keeps on boogieing, so run good. It ran 584.5 on carburetor, which is a 600 horsepower motor. We rate it. It's got a front end on it. It's usually about 20 horsepower, so everything's great. So we're going to get her off here, get in her crate. Come your way. Have a great day.